Hello and welcome to Grid Software's gooseAir tutorial videos. This video shows how to create objects and edit SCL files. You can even start building an IED from scratch for testing purposes, which is rarely done, but nevertheless it's good to have this option. To start building your own IED, go to New Device Definition icon and type IED definitions, which corresponds to IED part of the SCL object model. Observe that new tab has emerged within ribbon offering SCL objects to create. Since we have currently created only IED instance following ISC 61850 object model, gooseAir now offers to add logical devices to this IED. So click on logical device icon, and only name of the logical device is mandatory to add, while remaining fields can be left empty. Now, if you enter the logical device, you may see that logical nodes LLN0 and LPHD are already added to device. These two logical nodes are a mandatory part of every logical device. LPHD describes common issues related to the physical device, which is represented by object model, while LLN0 logical node describes common issues related to the logical device itself. Now you can add more logical nodes. Data objects, data attributes, creating therefore complete IED definition. But as I said, this is rarely done. Most often there is need to edit already configured SCL definition and use it for testing purposes. And to show you how it could be done with gooseAir, I will start a new project and import one ICD file. To edit file, right-click on the IED you wish to edit and then choose Explore. Observe that beside Explore tab, Create tab is now also available. Along with many other functionalities, gooseAir can act as MMS server or Goose Publisher subscriber, and by means of communication it can completely replace a real IED for testing purposes. So let's say we have an inappropriate dataset members and we need to change it. We filter dataset using dataset filter option. Choose this dataset for example. Now switch to Create tab and go to Object Reference and choose which data object or attribute you wish to add. You could also create your own dataset containing data objects already present within IED, or add new objects to this definition as shown at the beginning of this video. Thank you for watching.